guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. We have a NASCAR Authentics from the 2020 Wave 6. We have Ryan Newman's number 6 Castrol car. On the back are some more cars. Let's get this car out of its box. Oh, here we have the hood and something fell over. And here is Ryan Newman's number 6 car. So here is the hood. It has Castrol number 6 and his name, which is basically like this hood on his car. So Castrol is a type of fuel used for your car as well. So there's a lot of Castrol. It has red on the sides with white. And the car is most likely green. Not only Ryan Newman drove this, but Ross Chastain did this when Ryan Newman got injured and he had to sit out for a few races. So Ross took over. Castrol. Also the front as well for Mustang as well. I think Castrol came in 2020 this year as the new sponsor for Ryan Newman. It has been around in the sport for a different driver and for a different number. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.